to sniffing the air. He can find a fire before it starts to flame. That's why they called him Smoky. That was how he got his name.
Where's Smokey? There's Smokey. That's your song, Smokey. Yeah, that's your song. You're watching Jack PM. Cue the intro. The Irwin Speed Bore. Irwin Speed Bore. That's what I used. I think that's the container down there. Oh no, it's right there. Anyways, that contains my speed bores. That's what I used to cut through studs. I had to re-drill the holes. I had to change in plans. We're going to move a cabinet in from the back and stick it out through the front. So what I'm going to do, these two studs are going bye-bye. And then I'm going to move the stud over here. And that'll frame the cabinet. That'll have some, we'll get some solid nailing from the cabinet. So that's what I'm working on.